Share ko lang, guys. Andito nga pala kami sa Meet Together sa Robinsons Magnolia. Sobrang sulit yung rate chart nila dito. Per adult, tuwing weekday, 678 yung net nila. And tuwing weekends naman and holiday, 788 yung net nila. Pwede kang magstay dito up to 3 hours. Kung may kasama ka namang kids, 4 feet below, 208 yung bayad. And 4 feet above is 480 naman yung net nila. At pwede kang mag-hotpot dito or grilled. Open sila from 11 a.m. up to 10 p.m. So kung nagki-craving ka for hotpot and grilled fish, look no further than Meet Together Robinsons Magnolia. Indulge in a wide array of meats, vegetable, and seafoods, all available in unlimited portion. So what are you waiting for? Reserve your seat now and get ready to satisfy your taste buds with a sumptuous dining experience. Kaya isama mo na din yung mga manlilibre sa'yo. Ano pa ang iniintay nyo? Atak na!